Hello everyone, I'm Suresh Machu. So in this video we are going to make a full cover up. For him we have done already a patch test. It's got successful. So we plan to go ahead and proceed with the remaining places of his body. So as you all know, this is the only way to get rid of the vitiligo. And it's the only best way to get the exact skin color back. And it's going to be the least maintenance. You don't need to worry at all about the skin pigmentation. You'll be get the exact skin pigmentation as it is. When we talk about the skin colors, we'll be matching you with the exact skin tone. For him we have done the patch test. Patch test came really good. He's very satisfied with the colors, so he wants to be proceed with the remaining places of the body. As you were all requested, you are doing patch test, and there is no much of a video for the full places of the body. So here you can see, so in this vitiligo treatment we are making a full body with the same exact skin color. As you all see, we are trying to match with the exact skin tone. So there is no side effects in this treatment, and it does not contains any of the medicines you need to be consumed, and it's one of the kind of permanent makeup, and it's not same like a tattoo. It's completely different from tattoo. It's a, we can call this as a micropigmentation needling technique, and it's not a tattoo. And many of them thinks tattoo and this both are same. It is not. You need to really understand that. As you can see, we are matching the exact skin tone. There's no much skin damage, and it's coming out more smoothly and better. Whenever we do, we'll be make one tone actual darker than your actual skin tone. When we do that, we can be able to achieve the exact output once it's got healed. That's why we mainly do that. So as you can see, we are achieving the exact skin tone, and the small patches we are covering it up and coming to the top one. And we are getting clients from all over India as well as around the world also. So we request all of you to book an appointment and then come down. When you book an appointment, our team can be helpful for you to go ahead and proceed further, and that will be helpful to reduce your waiting time also. As you all can see, now the skin pigments looking good. At the same time, it started absorbing the ink really well. There is no much of a swelling, there is no much of a bleeding. It's looking really beautiful. So if you guys have any more doubt, we have attached our contact number in the description. Please do contact us. Our team will be help you out. So contact number is there in the title bar also. You can contact them, and we have attached our Facebook, Instagram and our website link on top of the screen. Please do check that. You'll be get much more greater informations. And if you guys have any more doubt, please do call us. Our team will be help you out to proceed further. So this treatment is going much more smoother. And many of them asks us, how long will it take, how much time duration will it take to do the patch test? It takes anywhere between a half an hour to 45 minutes. So you don't need to worry at all. And it's not so much painful, and pain duration will be changes depends on the body place. If you are getting it done in fingertips or some places, then there's a small amount of pain will be there, but it's bearable. You don't need to worry about the pain so much. So the progressing was so good. It's matching his exact skin tone, and he's cooperating good. He's sitting like a rock. All goes good. And here you can see the color combinations, how the output comes. When the color combination and the output changes, artists will start to get the different skin tones. When they start to get the different skin tones, it will start to become exposure. So we cannot able to achieve the exact skin tone with this method. So it's a little more close-up shot for you guys. As you can see, it's very smooth. We are just going up to the melanin layer of your skin. As I can explain you scientifically, we are putting artificial inks on your melanin layer so that it will absorb and project it very well once it's got healed. And the healing process is so easier comparing the other treatments. It's much more easier. We'll be provide you the ointment. You need to apply that ointment daily 3 times up to the healing, not your whole life, up to the healing. Yes, so the healing will be takes approx anywhere between 3 weeks to 4 weeks of duration. Up to that you need to apply that cream. After that you are a free bird and you can go ahead. Many of them still do have a doubt how this process is so successful. Yes, basically we are using a ink which is micropigment ink. It is made specifically for the vitiligo patients. So because of the speciality of this ink, the output will be much more smoother and it will give the best output, I could say. So if you are a person looking for to do the permanent solution, then this way you can go ahead. But we always recommend all our client to go ahead with the patch test first. Once you get the patch test successful, you can go ahead and do it with the remaining places also. In that way you can achieve the successful result. So the process is going quite well and it's giving a much more great output. As you all see, we are matching the exact skin color with the actual skin tone and it's coming out really nice. So here you can see we started doing it on the finger side. Elbow side is completely done, and so that's why we have made the wrap around it. That's the bio wrap. It will gives the much more protection to the skin. So we started doing on the fingers, so it's a much more closer shot for you guys. It's giving a much more greater and the good output. Once this process has been done, we'll be start to put and align the other places also in the body. So we are matching it and it's going really smooth and well. So here you can see we started doing it on the fingers. So he's cooperating really well. Actually he has all the places of his fingers, so we are doing it completely. So if you guys have any doubt, please do contact us. Our contact number in the description. I will meet you guys in the next video. I'm signing off. Don't die nude.